we breathe oxygen that comes from trees as far away as the Amazon forest. And we, in turn, take in the oxygen and we breathe out CO2 that the trees and plants use. So our lungs are pooping CO2 that the trees eat for their photosynthesis process. So one man's poop is another man's food. So how does aquaponics work? Pretty simple. I start off with fish, and you can use any fish, but I generally use tilapia because it's a fish that doesn't mind being farmed. And by the way, tilapia is an ancient fish from the northeast part of the continent of Africa, and it's also in the Middle East. So just a point of reference, 98% of all the fish mentioned in the Bible are tilapia because that's the fish of that region. So we start off with tilapia. I feed the tilapia. They then pee and poop, and I'm looking for the liquid ammonia in their pee and poop. That is turned by naturally occurring bacteria, and there's two types of them. Nitrosomonas eats the ammonia, and it poops nitrite. Another bacteria comes in, Nitrospira, it eats the nitrite, and it poops nitrate. Nitrate is plant food, and the plants are in water that is either being fertilized by the fish or they're in the common water with the fish. They then absorb the nitrate and return clean water back to the fish. So it's an ecosystem as well as a process of growing food. So most people who use aquaponics, they use it to grow food. Some use it to grow fish too. I use it for both. So after about a year and a half after my fish have been doing their job pooping and fertilizing my plants, I sell the fish. They'll be about 1.5 pounds, and they'll be about this size. So it's a good deal. I sell the fish. I sell the plants at farmers markets. We grow a lot of leafy greens. Those are the vegetables that are the easiest to grow in aquaponics. And we start off from seeds. So I go from seed to harvest in about somewhere between 40 and 55 days. So I have a continual harvest by planting every week. By planting every week, I always have something to harvest every week.